Hey guys, welcome to the second part of the scripting series. Today we're going to be doing variables. So, let's just get started. So first off, create a new script. And we'll just delete this. So to start off, to create a variable, what you first have to do is type in local. This is the instantiator for variables. This is what declares a variable. Next up, you press space, and you have to type in a name. Now, this name could be anything you want, as long as it doesn't start with a number. It cannot start with a number. So let's name this one, hello. Now, you could leave it like this, but this would return no value. This has no value currently. So to add a value to it, you gotta go equals, and then let's go with hello world. Actually, no, just hello. Now, there are 5 different types of variables. This is a string, right here. String. There is also a integer, which is a whole number, so 1, 4, 7, whatever you want. There is a floating point variable, which is a decimal point variable, so 0.4 or 0.7 or 1.3. Then there's booleans, which is just true or false. And then there's objects, which refer to an object within the game. So we'll go object equals workspace dot baseplate. So this object is now referring to the baseplate. Now, what variables are useful for is for storing values for, say, dynamic functions or whatever, or just for convenience, in case you don't want to have to retype the same thing over and over. For now, we're just going to use these variables in a print function. So print, and we print string. This will output hello, as you can see right here, hello. If we print integer, this will output 7. Same with all the others, goes on and on, except for object. The object, if you just output the object, it will return the name of the object. Object variables have other properties to them. So if I were to do object dot, and then you would get all this. We're not going to talk about this at the moment. For now, I'm just going to type in name, and you'll see that if I now run it, it still comes out with baseplate, because it's getting the object's name. You can also use variables with math equations. So say integer plus floating point. If I hit run, 8.3, because it is 7 plus 1.3. Another thing to note is that you cannot have spaces in your variable name. That will not work. As you can see, it just gives an error here. Yeah, that's about it for variables. They're really simple, honestly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye-bye.